Hey, what's up? Once again, it's your man, Big John, John Restoration of Virginia Beach, Virginia. We got that 89 box Chevy we've been working on. Lifted on 28's. Cobalt blue Kandy Paint. We still got a couple of things to do. We still got to order the tail pieces, waiting for them to come in. The bumper fillers, the rear door handle. But y'all see it, Kandy blue. It's got the Chevy bow tie down the side, underneath the Kandy. Got them brand new 28's wrapped in them Pirellis. Waiting for some new headlights to come in. Got the custom fiberglass hood with the Chevy bow ties and the rally stripes. Car's not complete. We still got a lot of things left to do to it. But it's lifted on 28's. Cobalt Kandy. Got the rally stripes on the trunk. This one was done here at John's Restoration in Virginia Beach, Virginia. I'm gonna show y'all that these are really some 28's. Hey Rick, could you stand by that rim please, sir? Now let me back up, because this dude is literally standing on the ground. Rick, pick your head up, Rick. Rick, this is not time out. I'm asking you to do me a favor. When Rick get in trouble, we make him sit inside the rim. Then if he do something real bad, we roll the car down the block with him in the rim. He get a little dizzy, but he come to.
He looks dizzy right now.
He just look a little sleepy. You like that Kandy Paint?
Beautiful.
Where you from, Rick?
I'm from Houston, Texas.
And what they do with these down there?
Slab ride. Ride slab, pop truck and wave the truck on them. Don't worry about it. Let them know it's under construction. Kandy Paint, actually. Beautiful celebrity Kandy Paint here. That's how we get down right here. John's Restoration all day. Let's go.
This his car over here. That's the one that keep laughing, the one that's hiding.
Stop.
That's Miss Kiki.
You sit right here, the slab coming out from John's Restoration. Kandy green, sitting on poles, tucked under the skirt. 28's going in the trunk. Kandy green, green interior. Big TVs in the headrest. We're doing a real major around here. We go do it real big, baby. Real big. Stand by. Coming out soon.
74 Dunk belonging to my man Rick right here. This one's the next one in line. Like he said, Kandy green, airbrush graphics, tucking brand new 24's under the skirts that's going on the back. Green top, green and white interior. This one gonna make a statement. If y'all ain't know, this is just a year older than the Woody Woodpecker 75 Dunk that we did a couple of years ago. Oh shit. By the way, this John Restoration, home of the M&M. Y'all see it on them TIS4s. I got my man and them doing an enclosure in the trunk right now, finishing the trunk off. Then we're going to do something else to the inside. But walk in the shop real quick, show y'all what came in today. SS Monte Carlo came in. Somebody hit it on the side. Y'all see the damage. True SS. This is an insurance claim. Like I said, we do insurance claims also. So the insurance company's paying for this one. But the customer wants to throw in a little something to add. He wants the whole car done white. We're going to get rid of the SS stripes on the side and put the rally stripes down the hood and the trunk in the red. So that one's coming to you. We got this 84 Chevy pickup we're working on. Now this is a project here. We totally tore it down. Believe it or not, the customer drove it in. We took it all apart, fixed all the rusted areas, new rocker panels, and various other metal spots. Inside's been painted. Shout out to one of my guys, Dre, laced the inside for me. Did the red paint, did the bed line on the floor. We got a few projects going on. We got a couple more over here. We got another big pickup truck. 93 F250. This one's gonna have a custom paint job of red and black, but not the average two-tone. We're also doing the interior on this one red and black. Another one here, Cutlass. This is one we did a couple of years ago. He had a motor built for it, then it was left outside and a few things happened to it, so now that he got the motor in it, he wanted to redo it. So all the body work's been done. It's going back the same green with the green and white 20s on it. Y'all will see it when it's done. And when I tell you it got a motor in it, it got a motor from hell. Yes, he got a lot of money in that motor. And this is the one, it's covered up, but on the trunk it says 84 Cutlass Airbrushed. Y'all will see it in the end. Go back outside to the one sitting on 8. By the way, this is another one, 77 New Yorker. We're doing this one too. A new top, new interior. This one's going to be coming at you soon. As you can see, we gutted it out. The door's locked. I don't know why ain't nothing there to steal, but y'all can see. They lock the doors like somebody going to steal the carpet. But they can steal it because we got to change it anyway. Yeah, y'all got excuse me, we got a young lady over there who's kind of so disrespectful. Got my man here. He travels like back in the days, BC time, like through Egypt and all that with his bike, guitar, and his wagon. He gonna tell y'all what he doing, what he about. What's up, man?
What's good, world? My name is Screech from Ice Effects. I bling everything. In other words, I crystallize and customize anything you bring to me. If you bring me a car, I bling that. If you bring me a guitar or your body, your shoes, your clothes, anything, I bling that. Hit me up on MySpace, Ice Effects 757. Alright, peace.
What about Facebook?
Oh, Facebook, Aaron Screech /ICEFX Johnson.
Alright, that's my man right there. He did the grill and the Hemi, my M&M, and a few other things. Y'all hit him up. Once again, it's your man, Big John, John Restoration, 757-713-2277.